Welcome to Giant Redwood, the channel where raw power meets precision in the world of heavy machines. From roaring chainsaws to towering harvesters, every scene is built to impress. Buckle up, it's going to be loud, powerful, and unforgettable. Hey everyone, welcome back to Giant Redwood. How's your day going so far? I hope you're ready for another round of raw power and epic machines in action. I'd love to hear from you. What's been your favorite machine on the channel so far? Or maybe there's a beast you're dying to see next? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you're excited, and if you are new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single moment of the action. Alright, let's fire up today's lineup and get rolling. First up, we're looking at the log debarking line, a system built for speed and efficiency in wood processing. Logs roll in from the yard and onto the feed conveyor, where rotating steel drums fitted with rugged teeth strip away bark in seconds. The process is continuous, with each log spinning under controlled pressure to ensure every inch of bark is removed without damaging the valuable timber underneath. Bark and waste are automatically separated and sent to biomass storage, while the clean logs move seamlessly down the line, ready for the next stage. From there, the freshly debarked logs enter the sawmill. Massive circular or bandsaw blades slice through the wood with precision, guided by laser alignment for perfectly straight cuts. Operators control feed speed and blade height from a centralized panel, ensuring each board meets exact size requirements. The smell of fresh-cut timber fills the air as stacks of planks are sorted, bundled, and prepared for drying or direct shipment. This combination of debarking and sawing not only maximizes productivity but also ensures the highest quality lumber output. Out here in the open, the steel chainsaw roars to life, its engine sending a sharp, powerful buzz through the air. The operator grips it firmly, every movement deliberate as the bar and chain slice cleanly into the wood. Chips fly in a steady stream, landing in a golden spray across the forest floor. Each cut is smooth but forceful, proof of the chainsaw's balance between raw power and precise control. The first log drops with a deep thud, and without pause, the operator moves to the next. The steel handles each trunk with ease, biting through dense hardwood just as effortlessly as softer pine. The engine tone changes slightly with the resistance, but never falters, holding a steady rhythm that keeps the work flowing without interruption. As the minutes pass, the chainsaw's reliability becomes more and more apparent. Even under continuous load, it keeps its RPM high and consistent, avoiding stalls or slowdowns. The anti-vibration system makes long hours in the field less exhausting, allowing the operator to stay sharp and accurate with each movement. Fallen logs are sectioned quickly, the saw's sharp teeth tearing through crosscuts without hesitation. The compact design lets the operator work in tight spaces between standing trees, ensuring precision where larger equipment can't reach. Every motion has purpose: cut, pivot, clear with no wasted time. The surrounding air is filled with the scent of fresh wood and the steady growl of the steel at work. Branches and limbs are trimmed down to clean, manageable lengths, ready for loading or further processing. The blade remains sharp even after multiple trees, proof of the quality in both the steel and the chain design. By the halfway mark, the forest floor tells the story: neat stacks of logs, evenly cut, and piles of cleared branches ready for removal. The operator wipes sweat from his brow but keeps moving, knowing the machine can handle much more before any downtime is needed. Thicker trunks test the steel's torque, but each time the saw responds with a surge of power, driving the chain deeper until the cut is complete. The sawdust swirls in the sunlight, creating a fine haze that dances in the air with every pass. In areas where precision matters most, the operator eases the throttle slightly, letting the chain glide through without splintering the wood. This balance of aggression and finesse is what makes the steel such a trusted tool for professionals. As the final logs are cut and stacked, the chainsaw's work isn't done. The operator moves on to clearing fallen limbs, trimming down rough edges, and shaping cuts for transport. The same steady roar carries on until the very last branch is cleared. After nearly a full session, the steel still feels solid, responsive, and eager for more. It's a reminder that with the right hands and the right machine, even hours of cutting can be efficient, controlled, and remarkably smooth. This isn't just a chainsaw, it's a partner in the work, built to match endurance with performance. From the first spark to the final cut, it delivers consistent results, turning a tough day in the forest into a precise and productive operation. With the ground now cleared, the steel chainsaw shifts from heavy felling to finer detail work. The operator angles the bar for precision cuts, trimming thick roots and stumps that remain after the main trunks are removed. Each slice is clean, preventing splintering and making the wood easier to process later. In tighter clearings, the steel's compact body becomes an advantage. The operator maneuvers between closely spaced trees, slicing low branches and undergrowth without disturbing the larger standing timber. The responsive throttle ensures that power comes instantly when needed, then eases back to idle for quick repositioning. The engine's tone remains sharp and steady, never wavering even after prolonged use. Heat radiates from the casing, but it's well managed. The airflow system keeps everything running cool enough to avoid performance drops. This reliability allows the operator to keep pushing forward without worry. Cut after cut, the chainsaw proves its adaptability. Whether it's cross-cutting a thick trunk, slicing through a fallen branch, or carving through not-heavy wood, the result is always smooth and controlled. The chain speed is consistent, the cuts are straight, and the waste is minimal. The day wears on, but the operator doesn't slow down. The steel's ergonomic grip reduces strain on the wrists and arms, and the balanced weight means the saw feels stable in every position. Even after hours of continuous work, there's no fight against the tool. It works with the operator, not against them. By the final stretch, the forest floor has been transformed. What started as an area filled with standing timber and dense branches is now a clean, organized worksite. Stacks of uniform logs are lined neatly, ready for transport, and the smaller debris has been cleared away. The chainsaw's last cut of the day is as precise as the first, proof of a machine built for both power and longevity. With the work complete, the operator powers it down, the growl fading into the quiet hum of the surrounding forest. In the stillness, the results speak for themselves: efficiency, precision, and endurance, all driven by the steel. Standing tall and powerful, the Pezzoletto MTH 1300 is built to take on the toughest wood processing challenges. Its massive in-feed system swallows whole logs without hesitation, guiding them toward the heart of the machine with steady, hydraulic-driven rollers. Even twisted or irregular timber is straightened and fed smoothly, thanks to the self-adjusting mechanism that keeps everything aligned for maximum efficiency. Inside, the high-torque drum begins its relentless work. The hardened steel teeth bite into the wood with unmatched aggression, breaking it down into uniform chips in seconds. Each rotation of the drum is a combination of brute force and calculated precision, ensuring that every piece of wood is processed evenly without unnecessary waste. The sheer power is matched only by the smoothness of operation. The vibration control keeps the entire process stable and controlled. The MTH 1300's advanced control panel allows the operator to fine-tune speed, feed pressure, and output size, adapting instantly to different types of wood and job requirements. Whether it's soft pine or dense hardwood, the results remain consistent, clean, uniform chips ready for transport or further processing. The onboard monitoring system ensures the machine is always running at peak performance, with alerts for maintenance and automatic adjustments for changing loads. As the logs disappear into the infeed, a steady stream of chips pours out from the discharge chute, forming neat piles that are easy to collect. The airflow system carries the chips without clogging, keeping production continuous and uninterrupted. Even after hours of non-stop work, the MTH 1300 shows no signs of slowing down, its heavy-duty build designed for industrial-scale demands. By the end of the shift, the worksite has been transformed from a clutter of raw logs into organized stacks of processed material. The Pezzoletto MTH 1300 stands ready for the next load, proving that in the world of wood processing, it's not just about raw power, it's about efficiency, consistency, and reliability. This is a machine built to dominate, day after day. Towering over the worksite, the Pezzoletto Crepatris 1400 is an industrial giant designed to handle some of the toughest timber-breaking tasks imaginable. Its massive frame and reinforced steel structure give it the stability to work under extreme loads without a hint of strain. From the moment a log enters the infeed, the heavy-duty hydraulic systems take over, gripping and guiding the wood toward the splitting chamber with complete control. At the core of the Crepatris 1400 is its immense splitting wedge, a precision-engineered steel blade capable of cracking even the densest hardwood into perfectly sized pieces. The hydraulics deliver crushing force with deliberate, measured speed, ensuring clean splits without splintering. Whether the log is straight, twisted, or knotted, the Crepatris drives through it with unwavering determination, leaving behind uniform segments ready for further processing. The infeed system itself is a marvel of engineering. Oversized rollers, fitted with aggressive grip patterns, pull logs into position while automatically adjusting for diameter and shape. This adaptability means minimal preparation is required. The machine can switch from smaller, uniform logs to massive, irregular trunks without missing a beat. The operator, seated at a fully equipped control station, can monitor every step of the process, adjusting pressure, speed, and splitting pattern in real time. Once the splitting action begins, the 1400's efficiency becomes clear. Each downward motion of the wedge is followed by an immediate reset, allowing a rapid cycle time that keeps productivity high. The pieces are then discharged onto conveyors, where they can be directed toward shippers, sawmills, or storage areas. By integrating seamlessly into a larger processing chain, the Crepitris 1400 ensures no moment is wasted. Supporting all this is a robust powertrain designed for long-term, high-intensity use. The hydraulic pumps, valves, and lines are all overbuilt to withstand constant heavy pressure, while the automated lubrication system keeps everything running smoothly hour after hour. Sensors and fail-safes protect the machine from overload, ensuring both safety and mechanical longevity. As the day wears on, the Crepitris 1400 continues its relentless pace. The sound of steel meeting wood echoes across the yard, a rhythmic reminder of the work being done. By sunset, piles of neatly split timber stand where tangled logs once lay, a clear testament to the machine's capacity for transformation. The Pezzoledo Crepitris 1400 doesn't just split wood, it redefines efficiency, blending raw hydraulic power with precision engineering to dominate the timber yard shift after shift. Rolling onto the scene with a commanding presence, the Pezzoledo MTH 1300 is built for one purpose: turning massive logs into high-quality, uniform wood chips with unmatched efficiency. Its reinforced steel frame and industrial-grade components make it a true workhorse in any heavy-duty chipping operation. From the moment the in-feed rollers grab hold of the timber, you can feel the raw force ready to be unleashed. Inside its heart lies a large diameter drum fitted with precision-balanced knives. These blades spin at high speed, slicing through hardwood and softwood alike with clean, controlled cuts. The cutting geometry is engineered to reduce strain on the machine, lowering fuel consumption while maximizing chip quality. Each pass produces chips of consistent size, perfect for biomass energy production, pulp mills, or landscaping use. The feeding system is where the MTH 1300 shines in terms of control. Heavy-duty rollers grip the logs firmly, even if they're frozen, wet, or covered in bark. The feed rate is fully adjustable, allowing operators to balance speed with the desired chip size. Sensors monitor the load constantly, preventing jams and ensuring smooth, continuous operation without downtime. Once inside the drum housing, the wood meets the full fury of the cutting system. The combination of rotational mass, sharp blades, and precise engineering means the logs are reduced to chips in seconds. The high-velocity airflow generated by the drum ejects the finished product directly into transport containers or storage piles, ready for immediate use or shipment. Supporting the chipping action is a robust power unit, either a high-horsepower diesel engine or an integrated PTO drive from a tractor. This flexibility allows the MTH 1300 to adapt to different work environments, whether it's stationed in a fixed yard or moved between logging sites. Its heavy-duty bearings, reinforced housings, and easy-access maintenance points make it a machine that can keep running for years under demanding conditions. At full output, the Pezzoledo MTH 1300 is a sight to behold. Logs vanish into the infeed, and a steady stream of perfectly cut chips pours out the other side. It's the kind of machine that doesn't just get the job done, it sets the standard for what an industrial chipper should be. For operators who demand reliability, performance, and consistent results, the MTH 1300 is a name that stands above the rest.